The tallest building, the fastest car, the most successful companies, and even space missions have one thing in common. None of them were created by a single individual. Behind every major achievement is a group of people working together. But have you ever wondered why some groups become extraordinary teams while others fall apart? The answer lies in understanding groups and group dynamics. Today, we will learn what groups are, how they function, and why every manager must understand them. A group is a collection of two or more individuals who interact each other and share common objectives and work together to achieve those objectives. A group is more than just a gathering of people. For example, passengers waiting at a bus stop are not necessarily a group because they are not working towards a shared goal. However, a project team in a company is a group because members interact, cooperate, and work together to complete a project. In simple words, a group is formed when people come together and coordinate their efforts towards a common purpose. Groups are everywhere around us. In organizations, employees rarely work alone. They work as part of project teams, departments, committees, quality circles, and even informal friendship groups. Whether officially created by management or formed naturally among employees, groups influence how work gets done and how people behave at work. Group dynamics refers to how people behave and interact when they work together in a group. It explains how group members influence one another, communicate, cooperate, and work towards common goals. Group dynamics include the relationship between members and how these relationships affect the group performance. It involves factors such as communication, leadership, teamwork, trust, conflict, and decision making. For example, when team members support each other and work together effectively, the group performs well. However, if there are misunderstandings or conflicts, the group's performance may suffer. In simple words, group dynamics helps us understand how a group functions and why some groups are more successful than others. So, why are groups so important in organizations? The simple answer is that most organizational goals cannot be achieved by one person alone. Groups bring together different skills, knowledge, and experiences. They coordinate employees to solve problems, generate new ideas, and complete tasks more efficiently. Groups also provide support and motivation, making people feel connected and engaged. This is why organizations rely heavily on effective groups for success. For managers, understanding group dynamics is not optional, it is essential. A manager's success often depends on how effectively their teams perform. By understanding group dynamics, managers can build stronger teams, improve communication, resolve conflicts, increase motivation, and make better decisions. In short, managers who understand how groups work are better equipped to achieve organizational goals. Let's quickly revise. A group is not simply a collection of individuals. It is a system of relationships, interactions, and shared goals. The way members influence one another determines whether the group succeeds or fails. This is exactly what organizational behavior studies through the concept of group dynamics. Groups are the foundation of organizational success, and understanding group dynamics helps managers create high-performing teams. In the next video, we will learn about the stages of group formation. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Management in Minutes. Thank you.